Can we say somebody hangs himself or kills himself, that's the end of it? I don't think so. Do you know why? Because when God made human beings, He said, let us make man in our image and after our likeness. Welcome back to our discussion on the value of your life. We want to spend some time talking about the valuer. You know, if you want to sell land, you want to sell a house, you bring in what you call a valuer. A valuer is somebody who has been trained to value a property. And you come, inspect the whole place, and set an estimate on the property. And let you know that this is what you can offer it in the market. And this is what is credible, able to buy. And so the valuer will help you to put right value upon what you have. And when it comes to human life, who is the valuer? It cannot be economics. It cannot be political. It's not even religious. It's not how much money we can make and how powerful we are politically and how religious we are that determines the value of our life. The Bible said that for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. Wow. God so loved, the word was so valuable to God that He gave His best and His highest, His only Son. That's how valuable and priceless human beings are. He gave His own Son and offered His life on the altar of the cross. So I can say this, that the value of your life is the blood of Jesus Christ. And that blood is priceless. Christ gave His life because your life is so important. Don't forget that ever. Every one of us is a focus of God's attention. David said in Psalm 8, what is man that you are mindful of him? Or son of man that you are attending to him? God's attending to us. God is mindful of us. So let's look at how He does that in Psalm 139. Oh Lord, you have searched me and known me. You know my sitting down and my rising up. You understand my thought afar off. You comprehend my path and my lying down. And you are familiar with all my ways. Look at this. Whoever gives you such a kind of a value today, whoever notices when you enter a stadium, just a regular. But it said God knows you're sitting down and you're rising. Even your thought, He knows afar off. Let's keep reading in verse 4. Psalm 139. For there's not a word on my tongue. Behold, O Lord, you know it altogether. You have hedged me behind and before, and you lay your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me. It is high. I cannot attain it. Interesting. Can you see this God interacting with our individual lives? He said, before I even think, you know my thought. Before I say something, you have an idea of the word. You're all around me. Your hands upon me. You are dealing with me. You are working with me. We are together. See, that information is too high for me. It's too high. I can't attain it. Let's go further. I said, where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I ascend to heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in hell, behold, you are there. If I take the wings of the morning and dwell in the other part of the sea, even there your hands are lead me. Wherever I go. Let's talk about this life that you have. Listen to this. When you have been formed, David said this, for you formed my inward part. You cover me in my mother's womb. I'll praise you. I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Look, this is getting very interesting over here. You are made fearfully and wonderfully. There's a kind of a combination of psychology, spirituality, and physicality all bound together just to make you as a human being. There's the psychological part of you, there's the mind, the thoughts, the feelings, the emotions, the spiritual thing, the conscience, the worship, all that mingle together. I was told that the body of a human being has over 3 trillion cells. Wow. Amazing. You formed my inward part. You cover me in my mother's womb. I praise you for I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. And that my soul knows very well. So my inside knows that this has been done. Listen to this more. My frame was not hidden from you. So your physical frame, your mental frame, your spiritual frame, they are not hidden from God. When I was made in secret and skillfully wrought in the lowest part of the earth, when you are a tiny speck in your mother's womb, about to become a human life, God saw you and concerned about you. He said, I was made in secret and I was skillfully worked out. He said, we're talking about God. God, your eyes saw my substance, being yet unformed, and in your book they all were written. The day fashioned for me, when as yet there were none of them. So you can see that your substance, both spiritual, psychological, physical, they were all formed by God. And God got a book where all that stuff written. Can you imagine that? Science today call it DNA. But everything is coded there. And God got a book where everything is coded about your life. Can I round up like this? How will you respond to this as a young man, as a young woman? You should look forward to life. How? David told us in Psalms 139 verse 17, how precious also are your thoughts to me, O God. How great is the sum of them. If I should count these thoughts, they'll be more in number than the sun. When I awake, I'm still with you. God is asking you to just join in with this thought. God wants to accept this thought that He's made you, He's created you, He's formed you, you are more than what you see. Yeah, I know you're going to have problems, you're going to have struggles, you're going to have challenges, you're going to have disappointment, but your life's bigger than that. So come on. It may be from challenge to challenge. Like David had challenges, but he said, your thoughts are precious to me. And when I'm awake, I will not forget you. I will still be with you. What a God. What a life that we have in Him. You are really valuable. Don't forget that, no matter what you face. God bless you.